Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of the series 10,000 plus loose and general knowledge one-liners. Today we are going to start with Vedic culture. So here we go. Question number 82. What is the approximate time period of Vedic age? Answer is 1500 BC to 600 BC. Question number 83. According to Max Muller, Aryans migrated from? Answer Central Asia or Europe. Question number 84. As per Dash, the Aryans migrated from Arctic region. Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 85. Which inscription in Turkey mentions the name of 4 Vedic god? Answer is Boghaz-Kai inscription. Question number 86. What were the names of 4 Vedic gods mentioned in Boghaz-Kai inscription? Answer is Indra, Varuna, Mitra, Nasatya. Question number 87. Where did the group that first came to India settled? Answer is present day Frontier Province and Punjab, then called Sapt Sindhu. Question number 88. What are the 4 Vedic literary productions? Answer is Vedas, the Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishad. Question number 89. How was the knowledge of Vedas passed from one generation to another? Answer by word of mouth, that is Shruti. Shruti means to hear. Question number 90. Vedas are called Aparashayas and Nitya. What does that mean? Aparashaya mean not created by man. Nitya mean existing in all eternity. Question number 91. What are the 4 Vedas? Answer is Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. Question number 92. What is Vedatraya or trio of Vedas? The answer is the first 3 Vedas are called the trio of Vedas or Vedatraya, that is Rig Veda, Samaveda and Yajurveda. Question number 93. What is Rig Veda all about? Answer, it is collection of lyrics. Question number 94. How many mandalas are there in Rig Veda? Answer, 10 mandalas. Question number 95. How many hymns and verses are present in Rig Veda? Answer is 1028 hymns and 10,580 verses. Question number 96. Purusha Shukta is contained in which mandala? Answer is 10th mandala. Question number 97. What does Purusha Shukta explains about? It explains about 4 varnas, that is Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Question number 98. The hymns of Rig Veda were recited by? Answer is Hotri. Question number 99. What is Samaveda all about? Answer, it is book of chants. Question number 100. Which Veda is a book on sacrificial prayers? Answer is Yajurveda. Question number 101. Which Veda is a book of magical formulae? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 102. What is the 10th mandala of Rig Veda? Answer is Purusha Shukta, that is it talks about 4 varnas as we discussed in question number 97. Question number 103. 2nd to 7th mandala are called? Answer is Gotra or Vamsha mandala. Question number 104. The hymns of Yajurveda were recited by? Answer is Adhavarayus. Question number 105. The hymns of Samaveda were recited by? Answer is Udgatri. Question number 106. Which Veda contains information on medicine? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 107. Which Veda is important for Indian music? Answer is Samaveda. Question number 108. Which Veda deals in rituals? Answer is Yajurveda. Question number 109. The Yajurveda is divided into 2 parts. They are dash and dash. Answer is Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. Question number 110. Which Veda is a book containing charms and spells to ward off evils and diseases? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 111. Which Veda is known as the first testament of mankind? Answer is Rig Veda. Question number 112. Which mandala is dedicated to Gayatri Mantra? Answer is 3rd mandala. Question number 113. Dash explains the hymns of the Vedas in an orthodox manner. Answer is Brahmanas. Question number 114. Each Veda has several Brahmanas attached to it. Kaushiki and Atriya Brahmana are associated to which Veda? Answer is Rig Veda. Question number 115. Oldest religious text in the world is? Answer is Rig Veda. Question number 116. Which is the oldest and the largest Brahmana? Answer is Shatapatha Brahmana. Question number 117. Dash means forest books written mainly for the hermits and the students living in the jungles. Answer is Aranyaka. Question number 118. Tatri and Shatapatha Brahmana are associated to which Veda? Answer is Yajurveda. Question number 119. Dash are the main source of Indian philosophy. Answer is Upanishad. Question number 120. Which is the oldest Upanishad? Answer is Brihadaranyaka. Question number 121. Dash means that which is remembered. Answer is Smritis. Question number 122. How many Upanishads are there? Answer is 108. Question number 123. Panchvisha and Jaimani Brahmanas are associated to which Veda? Answer is Samaveda. Question number 124. How many literary works are present in Smriti? Answer is 6. That is Vedangas, Smriti Dharma Shastras, Mahakavyas, Puranas, Upavedas and Shadadharanas. Question number 125. How many Vedangas are there? Answer is 6. That is Shiksha, Kalpasutras, Vyakarana, Nirukta, Chanda and Jyotish. Question number 126. Which Vedanga deals with pronunciation? Answer is Siksha. Question number 127. Which is the oldest text on phonetics? Answer is Pratishakya. Question number 128. Gopat Brahmana is associated to which Veda? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 129. Which Vedanga deals with rituals? Answer is Kalpasutra. Question number 130. Which is the oldest grammar of the world? Answer is Ashtadhyayi. Question number 131. Which Vedanga deals with grammar? Answer is Vyakarana. Question number 132. Nirukta is a famous work of? Answer is Yashka. Question number 133. Who wrote Ashtadhyayi? Answer is Panini. Question number 134. Which Vedanga deals with etymology? Answer is Nirukta. Question number 135. Nighantu is a famous work of? Answer is Yashka. Question number 136. Dash is the oldest etymological dictionary of the world? Answer is Nirukta. Question number 137. Which Vedanga deals with metrics? Answer is Chanda. Question number 138. Dash is the oldest word collection of the world? Answer is Nighantu. Question number 139. Which Vedanga deals with astronomy? Answer is Jyotisha. Question number 140. Chanda Sutra is a famous text on metrics is written by? Answer is Pingal. Question number 141. Who wrote Vedanga Jyotisha? Answer is Lagad Muni. Question number 142. Name the 6 famous Smriti text. Answer is Manu Smriti, Yajnavakya Smriti, Narad Smriti, Parashara Smriti, Brihaspati Smriti and Katyayana Smriti. Question number 143. Which is the oldest Smriti text? Answer is Manu Smriti. Question number 144. Which is the oldest Jyotisha text? Answer is Vedanga Jyotisha. 145. Who wrote Jimut Vahan, which primarily focuses on inheritance procedure? Answer is Debhag. Question number 146. Mitakshara was written by? Answer is Vignaneshwar. Question number 147. Apararkar, a commentary by Dash on the Yajnavalkya Smriti, is still regarded as the standard work on Dharma Shastra in Kashmir. Answer is Apararditya 1. Question number 148. Which is the oldest epic of the world? Answer is Ramayana. Question number 149. Which is the longest epic of the world? Answer is Mahabharata. Question number 150. Adi Kavya is the other name of dash. Answer is Ramayana. 151. How many khandas, that is sections, are present in the Ramayana? Answer is 7. Question number 152. Shatasahasri Samhita is also known as? Answer is Mahabharata. Question number 153. Who wrote the Ramayana? Answer is Valmiki. Question number 154. Who wrote the Mahabharata? Answer is Vedavyasa. Question number 155. How many parvans, that is chapters, are present in the Mahabharata? Answer is 18 parvans. Question number 156. Bhagavad Gita is extracted from dash parvan. Answer is Bhishma Parvan. Question number 157. Which is the largest parvan of the Mahabharata? Answer is Shanti Parvan. Question number 158. What is the meaning of Puranas? Answer is old. Question number 159. How many shlokas, that is verses, are present in the Mahabharata? Answer is 1 lakh. 160. How many Puranas are there? Answer is 18 Puranas. Question number 161. Which is the oldest Purana? Answer is Matsya Purana. Question number 162. What are the 5 subjects described in the Puranas? Answer is Sarga, Pratisarga, Vamsa, Manvantara, Vamshanu Charitra. Question number 163. Dash are the auxiliary Vedas? Answer is Upaveda. Question number 164. Shankhya Darshana is founded by? Answer is Kapila. Question number 165. Which Upaveda is associated with the science of craft or wealth? Answer is Shilpa Veda. Question number 166. How many Shad Darshanas, that is schools of Indian philosophy, are present? Answer is 6 schools of Indian philosophy, that is Shankhya Darshana, Yoga Darshana, Nyaya Darshana, Visheshika Darshana, Mimamsha Darshana, and Vedanta Darshana. Question number 167. Which Upaveda is associated with medicine? Answer is Ayurveda. Question number 168. Which Darshana is founded by Patanjali? Answer is Yoga Darshana. Question number 169. Which Upaveda is associated with archery? Answer is Dhanurveda. Question number 170. Nyaya Darshana is founded by whom? Answer is Akshapada Gautama. Question number 171. Which Upaveda is associated with music? Answer is Gandharva Veda. 172. Uluka Kannada is the founder of Dash School of Indian Philosophy. Answer is Vaisheshika Darshana. Question number 173. Which school of Indian philosophy also represent earlier Indian physics? Answer is Visheshika Darshana. Question number 174. Which school of Indian philosophy is founded by Jaimini? Answer is Mimamsa Darshana. Question number 175. Which school of Indian philosophy is founded by Badrayana? Answer is Vedanta Darshana. Question number 176. The home of Gargi, Maitreya, and Kapila was at? Answer is Mithila. This is the end of lesson. There were totally 94 questions in this session, taken just from 2 pages of Lucent book. I know it's a lot to take in, but keep revising, and thank you.